Good morning, students. Today we will start with multiples. Earlier we have done factors. Now we will start with multiples. So what are multiples? A number which can be expressed as a product of two or more numbers is called the multiple. So children, now look here. Suppose we are doing 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. Now what are 2 and 3? These are your factors. These are your factors. And 6 is your multiple. When we multiply two numbers, the answer which we get is your multiple. Okay, now suppose we are taking another example. Suppose 9 8s is 72. So what is 9 and 8? It is your factor and 72 is your multiple. So children, if I am writing down the here table, suppose I am writing here the table of 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14. So children, these are your factors and the 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, these are your multiples. When we multiply two numbers, the product which we get is your multiple. Clear? Now we will start with one question. The question is, you have to find first 5 multiples of 12. That means you have to write the table of 12 up to 5. So we will start from 12 1s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 12 3s are 36, 12 4s are 48, 12 5s are 60. So children, look here. First multiple is 12, then 24, then 36, then 48 and the last is 60. In the question it was asked that you have to find the first 5, not any 5. If it was written any 5, so you can write down randomly. Then you can take out your, like suppose 12 6s are, 12 10s are, 12 2s are. If it was written any 5, but now here it is written first 5, तो आपने पहले 5 ही निकालने हैं, कोई भी 5 नहीं निकालने हैं, only first 5. 1 2 3 4 5, these are the first 5 multiples. So how you will write it down? You will write down here multiples of 12 are, first multiple is 12, then 24, then 36, then 48 and the last is 60. So these are first 5 multiples of 12. Now next question is, you have to find out first 4 odd multiples of 9. So first of all we will write down the table of 9 up to 4. 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36. So children, is it okay? We have find the first 4 multiples of 9. But they have asked you first 4 odd multiples. Now you have to check that your multiples are odd or not. Now first of all tell me, what are odd numbers? Odd numbers. What are odd numbers? The numbers which have 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 at one's place. जिन नंबर के लास्ट में 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 आता है वो नंबर्स क्या होते हैं? ऑड। अब यहाँ पे देखो, दिस इज 9, 18, 27 and 36. And what are even numbers? Even numbers, the numbers having 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 at one's place are even numbers. So children, look here, 9, is this odd or even? You will write down here that this is odd. Now 18, odd or even? It has 8 at its ones place, so it is even. 27, it has 7 at its ones place, so it is odd. 36, it has 6 at its ones place, so it is even. So children, how many odd numbers are there? 1, 2. There are only 2 odd numbers, but they have asked you 4 odd numbers. So we will write down the table further. 9 5s are 45. 9 6s are 54. 9 7s are 63. So now again we will check 45. It has 5 at its ones place, so it is odd. 54. It has 4 at its ones place, so it is even. 63. It has 3 at its ones place, so it is odd. So children, now how many odd numbers are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. We have got our 4 odd numbers. So now we will write down here odd multiples of 9 are, which are the odd multiples? 9, then 27, then 45, and the last one is 63. These are the 4 odd multiples of 9. Now next question is, you have to find first 3 even multiples of 5. So first of all, you will write down the table of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35. Now we will check 5. This is odd or even? It has only 5, so it is odd. 10, odd or even? Even, because it has 0 at its ones place. 15, it has 5 at its ones place, so it is odd. Now again 20 is even, 25 is odd, 30 is even, 35 is odd. So children, how many even numbers, even multiples we have to take? Only 3. So first even multiple is 10, then 20 and then 30. So we are having 3 even multiples. So we will not write down the table further. So now we will write down here, even multiples of 5 are, first even multiple is 10, then 20 and then 30. So these are your multiples. Thank you.